Hey, what's going on, guys? Today on 395 Expeditions, we are going to be installing one of these guys. So stick around, check it out. Radio check. Hey guys, so this is what we're going to install today, the Yaesu FTM-400DR. It's the dual band ham radio. So a couple things you gotta understand first when you get into the whole business of ham radios. You need a license. You take a technician class or study the information on the internet, and then you take a test. What we did is we took a 2-day course out at Whittier Police Department through the Rio Hondo Ham Radio Club. They offered a course. It was only $10. That includes a test, so it's very informative and a very reasonable price. So you gotta get your license before you use a ham radio. There is people out there that use them without them. I advise you against that. Just take the test, take the class. It's easy, it's nothing hard. I actually failed it the first time, retook it 5 minutes later, and I passed. So, secondly, why do I want a ham radio installed? It's great for obviously talking between vehicles and route off-roading, but also great for emergency preparedness. God forbid the big one does hit here in California where we're at and we lose all communications. Ham radios will be the way to go. There will be no cell service, no landline service, no texting, none of that stuff. So emergency preparedness is a great way to go. The Yaesu 400 will actually allow us to send images, including emails and text messages. So that's very good. It also has APRS installed, or built into, I should say. And APRS, for those of you that don't know, it's a form of being able to track somebody or seeing where they're at through GPS through ham radios. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty new stuff that's going on out there in the world of ham radios, from what I understand. So it's very cool in that sense. It's called APRS. You can look it up. So basically, let's get this thing going, get it installed, check it out. Alright guys, so this is the brain of the Yaesu 400XDR. This is what's going to be underneath the seat, and this will be up on the dashboard. This is where we control everything. This is where we will see our frequencies and all that. And it's connected through one of these like phone cables. I'm not sure what they're called. This is the Diamond K412C. It's the deluxe trunk and hatchback mount for the Diamond antenna. It comes with a pretty short cable. It's not that long. So I ended up getting another 10 feet of cable to be able to run it through throughout the car and underneath the back seat. And then, last but not least, we have the Diamond 2-meter 70 centimeter dual band high power antenna. It's a great antenna. This is what everybody recommended, and that's what we're going with. All right, so let's get all this stuff installed. Got the positive connected there, and now I'm going to hook up the negative right onto here, and then run it underneath to the driver's side and plug this in right into the radio. hook up my antenna, call it a day. Alright guys, so here's the mounting hardware for the antenna. So once it's done formatting, guys, we'll take it on inside the house and show you guys how we program the frequencies onto the card, and then plug it back into the brain of the ham radio down below. And once you push the card back in there, it will recognize the frequency that you've programmed onto that card. Makes it really easy. Alright, so formatting is complete, so let's go inside. Awesome radio. Love how it has the scope feature. I think it's really cool. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, follow, and share. Hit that subscribe button. Peace. I'm out.